Today we're going to be looking at decimal division. Alright, so let's review some words real quick. So we've got decimal, so a number with smaller than single digit or a number with a decimal number. So decimal numbers means a number that uses the decimal point, followed by the digits that show the value that are smaller than 1, or it's less than the whole. So tens, the units, this is where your whole units start, your decimal point, and the first decimal place is your tenths. So division is dividing a number into equal numbers of parts or groups, and we use the division symbol, or sometimes we can use a fraction bar. Remember, integers are whole numbers, and they don't have any decimal points, so it's non-fractions, it's all your whole numbers. Alright, so let's look at some of these. So dividing a decimal number by a whole number, so like 9 1/10 divided by 7. So you just divide it normally, ignore the decimal. Ignore that decimal point, and so the decimal point answer is directly above the decimal where it was in the number. So if I take it and I move it straight up, so it makes it 1 3/10. This was very careful that you write things nice and neatly and everything's lined up. Don't forget to put that decimal back in there, or it's going to change your answer. So remember, ignore the decimal and divide normally, and then when you finish, don't forget to move the decimal straight above your answer. So let's do 6 4/10 by 4, which is 16. So move my decimal straight up, 1 6/10. Let's look at another one. 5 39/100 divided by 11. So here we go. Remember, divide it normally, ignoring that decimal point. Calculate the long division. Alright, don't forget to move that decimal directly up again. And so the answer is 49/100. Alright, let's do some more practice to look at real quick. So 6/10 divided by 2. So ignore your decimal, divide it normally, and then move the decimal up. So the answer is 3/10. Okay, so now you try some. Here's your first one, 28 and 28 and 991. Oh, let's try that again. 28 and 91/100 divided by 5. And your second one is 11 and 25/100 divided by 19. Okay, be sure to bring those in. Here's a website that you could go and do some more practice on. It's Math is Fun. We got some examples from here as well. All right, see y'all tomorrow.